parcel is here with our gearbox parts.
Now, I kid you not, those things are literal death traps.
And by this current rate of progress, I estimate we'll finish in 2025.
And it's the second today, so that means we've got less than 2 weeks.
Oh my days, let's just hide it again.
Let's pack it.
They only send and receive passports. Safe to say our luck didn't last all day. Welcome back to day 30 in the garage, and I thought it's a great time to spin the board of doom and see what we can cross off.
The big bad
The
list.
big bad list after 30 days. Well,
Chassis welding.
chassis, okay, welding. Front panel, they have done the front panel. So I don't know why I've got a pen where I can just wipe it.
So you can see at the end what we had.
Then I have to write it back on again.
You do now.
But it's in the wrong colour. Then I have the other colour.
Let's see if the
I
colour
don't know
gone.
where the other colour. You've ruined my life. You have. Oh, I found it. You've only partially ruined my life. Front panel. Okay.
Put a tick.
A tick. You want
Tick.
front panel tick. Slide. No. 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 Cab doors they've done.
Kind of. It's not finished.
How about if we put like 1 and 2, and then we can tick 1 because they've done 1.
It hasn't been filled and painted though, so is it
Yeah,
technically
but
done?
welding.
Welding.
Welding
Okay.
is done. Okay.
Have you got filling and painting front doors?
Well, that'll come under the shut up. Patches on all the panels. No. Front chassis. No. Okay.
Gearbox.
Find new ring and
We
pinion.
have found it.
Yes. Order bearings. Yes. Buy the oil. Well, that's probably something we'll do next week. Collect it. Also,
No.
soon though. It's soon. It's planned. There's a date. Rewire the front.
Sorry, I need to stop and just show people what's going on down here. We're back.
Rewire the front. Again, it's like
You can't take it out.
it's like 90% done, but no, I haven't 100% finished it. Replace the floor. No. Check rear electrics.
No.
Yeah. Again, half. Clean the engine. No. Revarnish the cupboards again. Fit new roof rack. No. No. Suspension. No.
Reindex rear bars. No. Weld
all
shock
of it.
mounts.
We
No.
haven't done anything.
Okay, so in 4 weeks we have accomplished
4 things. And by this current rate of progress, I estimate we will finish in 2025. Approximately.
How long have we got left?
We want to be out of here for your birthday, so
Which
that's
is the
the
14th.
of.
And it's the second today, so that means we've got less than 2 weeks.
Oh my days! Let's just hide it again. Let's look at the small job list. Small job list is okay. See, the small job list just says clean the water tank. I can do that. We haven't even got stuff on there like fix the headlining. They're not even on the list. So wish us luck.
I'm feeling a bit emotional right now.
I'm starting to get stressed. I'm starting to get a bit like twitchy.
We can do this. We can do this.
We can,
do
but
this.
we really have to move.
Let's get cracking.
We do.
Right, let's go.
I have just had a phone call and an email from DHL confirming our parcel is here with our gearbox parts, the charges that they want us to pay import for, which is $80. So that's not too bad. Did it again. I like do this every single day. Leave the kettle on. Fortunately, it's very full, so I haven't burnt the place down yet. It's one way to say thank you for a free apartment, isn't it? Make a cup of tea, and then let's have a look at Ruby. Let's have a butcher's. Mr. Man has now done the front of the bumper. This is rather nice. We have our step. They had to stretch the door to get it to fit, but he's pretty much done all that. As well as the other side of the door, because the other side was also gone. Now he's going to have to move on to this door, which is the worst of the two. But I'm quite excited to have a door that's actually going to shut, because this one you had to slam it super hard, and sometimes it didn't shut, and then you go around a corner and nearly fall out and die. So I'm excited for this. Lee has got the power tools. He's going up there. And well, it doesn't look like I've done anything, but actually this is very nearly finished, so I'm about to put the rest of the conduit all on. I just had to rewire one of my relays, but we are making progress.
So as you can see, the roof is getting there. I've almost finished sanding it, and then I'm going to have to put a bit more filler on in places to sand it down as well. But today is a going to town type of day. Welder's doing a banging job of the metalwork. It's working so hard to fabricate it all and build it bit by bit. It's going to look pucker, mate.
Hear that rain? It is incredibly loudly raining, and that means apparently we have a not very brave visitor with us who does not like noise. Bless her.
We have been in our apartment for over 4 weeks now, and I don't think we're giving you a guided tour, so come on, let's go have a look. So this is our living room and a settee. Hello, hey Squidge. You coming for a tour? Here's our kitchen. We've even got gas burners, which is lovely. The price of butane here is insane. This canister cost us $2 to refill. It's mental. Come to show us around, Bean. Come on. So down the hallway we have our bedroom, which is a tip. And then junk room. Here is the toilet plus shower. Now if you've never been to Latin America, you probably wouldn't have had to experience their showers. And as an overlander, there's times where we've stayed at hostels or at campgrounds with showers, and it's been nice to read on the reviews that there's hot water. But just check this out. Now, I kid you not, those things are literal death traps. Willow's had one catch on fire in Guatemala, and then also in Guatemala in the city, she had one spark and almost electrocute her. So it's always interesting having a shower here. So that's our humble abode. And to be honest, as grateful as I am that we're allowed to stay here, I just want to get back in Ruby and hit the road. It's Monday, which means we are heading to Quito to get our new pinion and drop it up to the VW specialist. Super excited for this.
One of the best days it's had for ages so far. I hope it stays sunny.
Do you think it's a sign of things to come? We had this big plan of like getting a lovely footage of us getting onto the bus, and then one disappeared, so we're on the bus, and look how swanky it is compared to buses back home.
It's a coach, really.
Basically a coach.
Do we know where we're going?
Somewhere in the south of Quito. Don't know how much it is. I'll let you know in a bit. That is $1.50. We gave him $3, so for both of us, it's $1.50 to get from Nakachi to Quito, which is a good hour's journey. So that's just balmy. You'd never find that price anymore. So you run into an alley, a narrow pierced me right through the heart. So I went down by the river and I tried to drown you, 'cause it's all I can do. I keep on falling down. Quito. Journey's flown by thanks to the entertainment of Turner and Hooch in double Spanish. No idea where we're actually ending up or what happens, so we've got to figure it out as we go along. Welcome to Quito, the capital of Ecuador, nestled in the heart of the Andes Mountains. Quito is a bustling city with stunning colonial architecture and majestic mountains in the background. Gracias. Gracias. Okay, what's the plan then?
We decided we're going to rent a car because just to get the gearbox back is about $25, and to get around Quito and do what we need to do, it's really awkward on the buses. So we're going to hire a car, but we need another bus to go and pick it up.
Okay.
Here's hoping we get on the right bus.
Camino bendecido por el alto. Somos tres hermanos que buscamos un trabajo. Salimos de abajo, vivimos sin cobrar atrás. Estamos para demostrarlo que con el que llegamos hacia la meta. Y que el gobierno no se meta. Mucho desempleo, mucha gente hambrienta. Despierta, alerta. Se destruye nuestro planeta por los gobernantes que controlan el sistema.
You hired me that one?
Wait and see. I doubt it.
A bit knowing why, like you got me like some shitty Kia. Now she hasn't hired me yet, but look how sexy it is. Now that would be driving in style. We booked for 4 days with Europcar, and we booked the car with a basic insurance package, and when we've gone in there they've told us that that package doesn't cover the car for anything other than third party,
and so we'd have to put down $7,000 to hire it, or we could pay an extra $35 a day for insurance that would, which is more than the price of the car, which is just stupid. So we told them to basically shove it, ask for a refund, and we're gonna, I don't know, figure it out. We need to walk to FedEx to get the ring and pinion, and that is
half an hour.
it's not a massive walk, but
No car luxury for us.
you know, it's a nice day, so let's go have a whistle stop tour of Quito, eh?
Here we go. Number 1.
Right, let's try and get back on track. I don't think our package is here, it's not going well. Where's the packet?
They only send and receive passports here.
Okay.
We have to go north.
Of course.
It is 40 minutes on the bus. On the bus. An hour, 2-hour walk.
Fuck's sake.
So let's
Get
watch
going.
one bus. And I mean, we're going to go north anyway, right?
Yeah. How would you rate it so far out of 10?
What, this day? It started off as 10, now it's like a 2.
Oh. We're at DHL, we've come to collect
It's so important you don't know what
the
it
Gearbox
is.
parts.
Yes.
I thought they were FedEx.
No. Gearbox.
Yeah.
Ready to say goodbye to your money.
We got it.
Just picked up our second new diff. So we wanted to say a massive thank you to John for sending that out to us with all the bearings, and we're going to go and take it straight to the mechanic right now.
It's John, for people who are wondering.
John Walklett, who rebuilt our gearbox in the UK, is the man for gearboxes, and he's really done us a solid, so thank you so much.
Cheers, John.
How does it make you feel?
Do you feel sad?
Come on, come on.
Next bus.
Bit full. Hot.
It's a bit full.
It is, but it's very cheap.
You may not have noticed, but everything we do on this trip is based on budget and keeping the costs down. And so we thought it'd be a good idea to skip on bus and walk the last bit. There's one problem with Quito.
It's such a big hill.
Quito is just one big hill.
We're nearly there.
And I'm lugging a very heavy piece of metal around.
Yeah, at least I haven't got the diff on me. Woo. I can see it. Whoop. Fell off the pavement.
Oh man, brutal.
Sin alta.
Stuff's happening, right?
You see the broken tooth.
Show me.
Ahí. Y es una corona diferente. Got ships. Kleibtor. So clean. Por favor, no me digas, no está bien. Sí, es diferente, sí, porque cambiamos las llantas por llantas más grandes, entonces es más mejor por nosotros cuando estamos aquí y queremos subir las montañas y algo así. Y él me dijo también que nosotros... Oh, mire. Para ti.
John from Stoker sent us.
New pinion bearing.
Yep.
Both new bearings.
This is
Crown wheel.
crown wheel.
And the pinion.
Excelente.
Ya.
Sí,
Pero
pues.
este rodamiento no irá en la caja, no es solo porque está muy flojo.
No, en la caja no tira. Lo que pasa.
That's not good, right? That means the bearing's gone. You feeling a bit happier now?
I'm well chuffed that he's got the actual VW tool because that means he can torque the box properly.
Rather than bashing it with a chisel.
Yeah, the other dude, I'll show you, he hit it with a chisel. Sí,
Con esta herramienta.
pero no es muy común esta herramienta y
Claro,
los otros
o sea,
talleres no
nadie lo
usan
tiene.
eso
No,
y
no
es...
tiene. Entonces ahí le
Sí,
cogen y
sí,
le hacen.
exactamente. Y el otro lado también.
Ya no tengo problema de que se vaya a
No,
aflojar.
porque la
Y
fuerza
puede
está
pasar eso.
correctamente, claro.
Y igual este
No
puede
estoy
pasar.
feliz que tú tienes eso.
Sí, este. Entonces
Ah,
esto
sí, por el
es para
otro.
poder regular la
Sí.
corona. Entonces te coge y regula bien.
Oh, ¿es mío?
No pasa nada.
¿El viejo?
Ese es el viejo.
Sí.
Todas las piezas ya las tengo ahí. Vea cómo está.
Sí, aquí, el otro taller. No,
Sí,
es
eso está
exacto.
Ah, it's done.
We dropped it off.
And hopefully by Thursday it'll be all put back together and pretty much a brand new box.
Yeah, he's really relieved that he's got all the pieces. He was really happy. He's like, that's fine, I've got everything, I don't need anything. So that's really good because I couldn't imagine getting it here and it being wrong, or we didn't get it through customs or
would
anything.
suck.
And that means we can drive again,
In a couple of days, yeah.
which is the main thing.
And now we need to go get parts sent to us by the amazing Mike.
We need to go get our parts.
St.
So-
Mike has sent
yeah.
us parts for our windscreen motors.
Yes, and that means I can put the dashboard back together and then progress will be made.
Come on! Buenas. We got this one just in the nick of time. Look at it.
Miserable. Safe to say our look didn't last all day. So I got sunburnt this morning a little bit and I had to buy an emergency umbrella. But we're nearly done.
FedEx. Buenas. You are a walking disaster, that thing.
Lethal weapon. Kind of dry though. There. 074.
Thought I didn't have it in.
Sí.
Last item, resource collected, sorted. Now we need to walk to a bus stop.
How long is it going to take us to get home, you reckon?
About 3 hours.
All right, bus.